Thank you for tuning in to part 2. I'll show you my paint technique. Thank you. Y'all hang in there and stay tuned. This is my paint technique on some rods, not all rods, depending on what the customer wants. This is the airbrush paint that I use. I do have an airbrush. Sometimes I airbrush them. Sometimes I use just a different technique. But that's the airbrush paint. And then, this is a paper towel. If you hadn't noticed, this is a paper towel. Just dip it in that old paint. Let your rod turn. Get your different design on there. Sometimes I got to speed the rod up. This is not my color choice. So this is what the customer wanted, orange and green. My color choice is not this color. But this is what we're doing. It's what we're doing for the customer. I always do what the customer wants, whether it's right or wrong. And then that design there, you can do it however you would like to do it. I think we're going to go with that right there. You can change it up. Make it anything you want. But that's my paint technique. Now, once I get it to that point, I'll come over here and I'll get my heat gun. Now, when you use a heat gun on these rods, y'all be careful. Don't be melting your rod. And don't get the rod too hot. Because if you get the rod too hot, you're going to melt it. Now, what I do, I plug my heat gun in. And I turn it on low. And I bake that paint on there. And that's all I do. I just bake the paint on there. Now, the reason I use this technique is because when you get your paint hot, it gets into the pores of the rod, and I find out that it really helps, and it helps the paint, and the paint doesn't come off. And I'll just do that until it's completely dry. And it's worked. I've been doing this for the last 6 years, and it's been working real good. And if you touch it and the rod's too hot, you got it too hot. If you can't touch it, your rod's too hot. So don't be getting your rod too hot because you'll melt it. But that's what the customer wanted. He wanted orange and green. He likes to go catfishing. So I'm going to make him a catfish rod. Okay, thank y'all for tuning in. This went a little longer than what I wanted it to. So, hey, this is part 2, day 3. Thank you for tuning in. Wayneo's Rod House. Go fishing. Happy RVing. Please like and subscribe so you can see the finished product. Thank you.